In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel data to Looker Studio. If you've got performance data sitting in a spreadsheet and want to visualize it in interactive charts and dashboards, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start in Looker Studio and attach an Excel workbook as a new data source, then bring those fields onto a page so you can build charts immediately. Before you begin, make sure your Excel file has clear column headers in the first row, consistent data types in each column, and no merged cells. That helps Looker Studio correctly recognize your schema. Open your browser and go to Looker Studio's reporting home. Open the report where you want the data to live and switch to Edit in the top right. Edit mode lets you modify the data sources and components on the page. At the top, select Add Data. This opens the connector gallery, which is where you tell Looker Studio what kind of source you're adding. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel to filter the options. Select Microsoft Excel under Available Files. If you're prompted to grant access, approve the request so Looker Studio can read the file. Next, click New and choose the Excel file you want to use, then open it. You can upload a workbook from your computer or select it from connected storage, depending on your setup. Looker Studio will process the file and prepare the sheets it finds. You'll then be asked to choose worksheets. Pick the worksheet that contains the data you plan to visualize. If your workbook has multiple useful tabs, start with one now. You can repeat this process later to add others as separate sources if needed. On the configuration screen, review the detected fields. Confirm that the first row is being used as headers. Check that dates are typed as date or date and time, and that numeric fields are set to number or currency as appropriate. Adjust any field types, default aggregation, or units so calculations and filters behave as expected. This is also a good moment to rename fields for clarity and remove any blank or helper columns you don't need. When everything looks right, click Add to attach the source to your report. On the right side of the editor, you'll now see the fields from your sheet in the Data panel. Drag fields onto the canvas to create a quick table, or add a chart and assign dimensions and metrics from your new source. Give the source a clear name, and remember that updates to the Excel file will reflect here on refresh. That's it, you've connected Excel data to Looker Studio and are ready to build insights.